Hello, very good evening. I say very good evening because it's actually 3 in the morning here. And the reason for this video is to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Look at the state of me. My hair's brown, my beard's grown, and the workshop looks like a bomb's hit it. Well, not quite a bomb, but yeah, since the fire, the damage outside has been mostly rectified. The builders have been in and the windows are now replaced and the doors, and that part of it's been done. What hasn't been done is unboxing the workshop. They actually had to strip out everything in the workshop and take it away so that they could do the repairs. Now, as you see, I've got everything back, but it's in boxes. And unfortunately, some of it's outside, and we haven't had the best of weather recently, so I'm hoping not much has got too wet to be salvageable. I did actually have to bring my oscilloscope in because that was in an outside box, and I may have to degunk the BNC sockets because they look a little bit corroded. That's the Rigol that's just on the top there. Thanks to Cody's, I've got to say a big thank you to Cody's. He came down spur of the moment and turned up and moved a lot of things before you could actually see behind me because it was all boxes. And we actually got the workbench in position, and the test equipment has been unwrapped and put on the bench. Now it's not powered up yet. I've got lots of wiring to do. I've got to find extension cables and everything else, and the biggest problem I have is it's all in a box. The trouble is none of these boxes, and I mean none of these boxes, have actually been labelled. So I'm working in the dark here, and it's a case of one box at a time, and if I find something useful I have to put it somewhere. If I don't, I'm going to have to reseal the box and put it away so that I can get to the next box. Now, my other workbench is in at the far end with the pillar drill and the bandsaw on it. That part's okay, but again I can't get to it. And also the desk with the 3D printer is buried behind this entire stack of boxes. There's, you know, that's going to be a little while before I can get to it as well. But that's the status update of where I am in this whole scheme of things. Now, again, you're looking at me. I'm using my webcam because I don't know which box has got all my cameras in it. So I can't even record a video with a decent camera. I'm just using the webcam that I normally use for video chats. So it is a bit up in the air still. Thank you for everybody who sent comments and well wishes, and yeah, it's much appreciated. So I'm going to sit here and just say thank you very much. Merry Christmas. Hope you all have a great holiday, whichever one you celebrate, and also hopefully the new year will bring you everything that this year hasn't. So take care, everybody, and hopefully I'll see you again in the new year with some proper video content, not this mishmash rubbish of me sitting here talking. Take care, everybody. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Good night from me.